The Hyatt Place Waikiki Beach is located just off Waikiki Beach in Honolulu, Hawaii, in the heart of the hotel district and just a couple minutes walk from Kalakaua Avenue and a lot of shopping and dining. The hotel offers free breakfast to all guests, regardless of status, though we did get a $5 each credit to use at the grab and go because of our Discover status, and they gave us a reusable bag and some bottled water when we checked in. It also offers beach towels for free to use while you're out and about. Many rooms, like the one we had, have pull out beds to accommodate families, and there's a Domino's Pizza connected to the lobby. There's also a small street near the hotel that has food trucks in the evenings, and you can walk around the Waikiki Beach area from this hotel pretty easily. The hotel has some rooms with balconies with chairs on them facing the beach, like the room we had. Okay, this is the room tour of the Hyatt Place in Honolulu, Hawaii. So we are in a Deluxe King, I believe, with an ocean view room. So you can see out there, there's the ocean. We're on the 11th floor. A little bit of a balcony there. Kind of starting on the other end of what we normally do here. We'll start with the view because it is a nice view. This is a king bed, and as you can see, there's a little desk there, TV with a table. There's the king size bed. This is supposedly a pull-out bed. I haven't looked at it yet, but maybe. Yep, looks like it. Okay. So there's a pull-out bed there. Again, just a king bed. Pretty simple room. Not too big. There's a dresser right here. And as we go back in here, there's a bathroom with sink and everything outside, vanity, and then the toilet area, shower over there, pretty nice shower area, and then here's a closet. So pretty spacious closet, which is nice given that the room is not very small, or not very big, excuse me. But again, this is a Deluxe Ocean View King, and this is the Hyatt Place in Honolulu, Hawaii. They are, as the time of filming here, they're renovating the pool. You can use a sister pool that's just down the road, I guess. We haven't had a chance to use that. We're only staying here one night, so I don't think we'll be doing that. But as you can see, that's Waikiki Beach out there. And yeah, I believe that pretty much concludes it. They do have free breakfast here, and they do have grab and go and snacks and a bar and stuff. I think the grab and go is 24 hours a day, and then it's down on the first floor. And again, this is the Hyatt Place in Honolulu, Hawaii.